Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Tasfia from Tasfia by Tasfia, and today is another video day. So as you can see, today I've made another cake for my niece, and I've added coffee on top of it. It was, I would say, really yummy, but it was a bit hard because I used less oil. So if you want to know the recipe, you can go to the description. Now it's 10 a.m. in the morning, and I'll be attaching this to the wall because my niece had birthday on March 3rd, 3rd March, but like they're coming today, my cousins and niece. So yeah, and now I'm getting ready to go on a friend's birthday. There you go, wearing mask, and let's go. So this is how I look. Now I've taken rickshaw. I've took a bag with a cap which says happy birthday and ramen, and then crossed the overbridge, took another rickshaw, and crossing second overbridge, and then taking another rickshaw. One thing I love about spring is this tree, this flower. Anyway, so I'm coming back. I went there for like 5 minutes and then came back. I had some emergency. So again, cross the road and coming back. Now I'm preparing pasta. As you all know, I love making pasta, and this is like super easy to me. You can try this recipe too. So I'm boiling pasta and tomato separately, and then have taken a pan with a little bit of butter, and I'll be adding the chicken which I had marinated before with soy sauce and oregano, and then just frying them, and then have taken another pan and again taking a little bit of butter. Now we'll be making the white sauce. So for that, you can ignore the messy kitchen. So I'm adding garlic. Now in white sauce, actually we're not supposed to add garlic, but it was a mistake that I added that at that time. But anyway, so mixing them well. After a while, also I've taken the tomato. So after a while, we're supposed to add the flour here and adding the cold milk and mixing them well. You're supposed to mix them continuously, but I couldn't do that because I was holding camera in one hand. So that's why it became a little mess, but as you can see, it's gonna be thick and it's gonna look really yummy. So then we'll be adding the oregano and continuously stirring it. So adding the oregano and chili flakes, and then we're almost done. So this is the white sauce, and then again taking another pan where we fried the chickens with butter and adding garlic and onion, and now we'll be adding the tomato puree which we just blended the tomatoes that we had fried. So now we'll be adding the oregano and a little bit chili flakes, and then adding capsicum, half capsicum, and the chickens that we have already prepared. Now after a while, will be, as you can see, it looks really good. And now we'll be adding the white sauce and the tomato, the preparation of tomato together. It looks really yummy, tastes yummy as well. Now we'll be adding the pasta, So we have added the pasta that we had boiled and chili flakes and a little bit of spices. Now it's done. We'll be making begunet talk. If you want to see the recipe, you can check the description. I've already made the video before, so I made that too. And then I really wanted to make cashew nut salad, but I don't know what it became. It became a cashew nut vegetable or something. So yeah, ignoring that, we had this preparation. Other dishes were made by Ammu, and our cousins came. We had a lot of fun. It was a tiring day as well, and hope you like this daily vlog. And so they had come at about 6 or 6:30. Then we went to the roof, we had fun and cut the cake and all, as you can see my niece. Also, they brought me this cute canvas. I just loved it. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hope to see you soon. Bye.